So today I am packing my bags for going to New York tomorrow. And one of the other things I'm doing today is I'm going to be 3D printing and redesigning one of the parts for my Canon 5D. This is about the holds, this is my battery, HDMI cables, mainly used for live streaming, but no plans to do live streams from New York, so I need to fit another module. That makes no sense whatsoever. Anyway. Mainly I'm packing my bags today. This is one of the things here that I want to change on the 5D before I go to New York. Don't need that on the camera for the moment. What I do need, however, is this thing on the camera, which is a transmitter, and it will transmit the signal to a screen. So I'll take the image from this camera and send it to the screen wirelessly, which is just what I need when I'm traveling on my own and I don't have a second person to work the camera for me. With this, it can transmit, I don't know, as far as I can see basically. It could be quite far, so I can set the camera up, I could drive a car past the camera without actually being in it, but I can look at the screen and make sure that the car is actually aligned in shot. So this part's coming off, I'm going to redesign it so I can accommodate this and also this battery. I'm going to keep this battery because that's really useful, and I'll keep that on the shelf for Rostrum next year when I'm doing more live streams. Just managed to shorten the wire for the video transmitter, taken all of that cable out of it. So now it's time to redesign the plastic part that goes in the camera that holds this and the battery. So, to the computer. Okay, so I have reached a point where half the day has passed by my eyes, the sun has set, it's dark now, so I finished the part, it's all designed, it's ready to go, it's ready to be printed. Oh, it's not too bad, it's going to take about 4 hours 25 minutes, so I'll print that overnight and it'll be ready for the morning. That was my favourite part, when I get to turn the 3D printer on. Guess which country it came from when you hear this little tune. If you guessed China, you're right! So that's it, the 3D printer is printing the new part for the camera. I'll find out tomorrow morning if it's any good. Meanwhile, I'm super excited about going to New York, leaving tomorrow around about 2 in the afternoon, and I'm really excited to go and pick up the next car for the Rust to Mexico fleet. I'm not going to give away what car it is just yet, but the only clue I'm going to give you is what I'm currently wearing, which is what I'm hoping to wear when I pick up the car. So if you can work it out just from my outfit, then post it in the comments. I'm really curious to hear what you say. Meanwhile, stay tuned because, as I say, from tomorrow onwards I'm heading to New York and I'm picking up the next car for the Rust to Mexico fleet. I'm really excited about it. That better work, like. Better work. Because if it doesn't work, it's going in this drawer. No. If it doesn't work, it's going in this drawer full of off-cut prints. I'm pretty much ready to start packing my bags, but there's just one thing that I'm missing. And I believe it is in the loft. We are now in the loft. What I'm actually looking for is, this is really silly, but do you know those little divider things in backpacks? Camera backpack size, little foam, Velcro sided, like, dividers? That's what I'm looking for, and I think I chucked them up here several years ago, and they must be here somewhere. Oh, there's a camera. Oh no. Oh, there's me!